Powering your outdoor world shouldn't be a struggle. Whether it's your garden, your home projects or your driveway, meet the Masterplug Outdoor Case Reel. A lightweight, easy carry design moves with you job after job. With 20 metres of cable, power reaches where you need it most. Designed for the outdoors, its IP54 rated splashproof sockets stand up to rain, hoses and pressure washers. And with 2 protected sockets, you can power multiple tools at once, without worrying about moisture, dirt or accidental unplugging when you reach the limit of your corded tool. The built-in thermal cutout prevents overheating, protecting your tools, your home and most importantly, you. No more tangled cables, the easy wind drum makes pack up fast, keeping your reel tidy and ready for the next time. Durable, reliable, designed for the outdoors, the Masterplug Outdoor Power Case Reel.